Atlanta has no shortage of enemy targets. Her forward fives blow shells at 2 enemy destroyers, while her after battery aims for the searchlights on Akatsuki and cuts loose. But Atlanta is getting it back from all sides. To the left, she's hit by a storm of Japanese torpedoes that annihilate her forward engine room. And on the right, in the confusion of darkness, one of her own cruisers lobs 19 8-inch projectiles towards her deck. Dozens of sailors are killed in the salvo. Atlanta cannot escape the hellstorm.